Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Today I want to talk to you about something incredibly powerful: faith. Faith is not just a word, it's a force that can transform our lives, a light that guides us through the darkest times. Imagine walking through a storm, feeling the wind and rain battering against you. It's your faith that acts as an umbrella, shielding you, giving you the strength to move forward. Allah promises in the Quran, indeed, with hardship comes ease. Remember, every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow stronger, to trust in Allah's wisdom. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by life's struggles and wondered, why me? Know that Allah tests those He loves the most. Each trial is a step closer to Him, a chance to purify our hearts and souls. When you feel lost, turn to prayer, seek solace in the Quran, and connect with your fellow Muslims. Faith is also about gratitude. Reflect on the blessings you have: your health, your family, the food on your table. Alhamdulillah for all the gifts, big and small. By being grateful, we open our hearts to more blessings. Now I have a small request for you. If this message resonated with you, please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel, Islamic Channel B, ABF5M. Together, let's spread the light of faith and positivity. Use the hashtags #SasFaithMatters, Islamic Inspiration, Believe and Achieve. Remember, dear brothers and sisters, faith is our greatest asset. Hold on to it, nurture it, and let it be the anchor in your life. Jazakallah khair for watching. May Allah bless you all. Until next time. Assalamu alaikum.